Reuters, the Dow Jones Industrial Average raced past the 26,000 mark for the first time on Tuesday as fourth quarter earnings season got off to a strong start following upbeat results from UnitedHealth and Citigroup. The blue-chip index, however, eased from its peak as a pullback in oil prices weighed on energy stocks. UnitedHealth rose 2.5% after the largest U.S. health insurer reported results that beat estimates and raised its 2018 earnings outlook. Citigroup Inc. rose 1.13% after the lender reported a profit that topped expectations as strength in consumer businesses made up for lower revenue from bond and currency trading. Hopes of strong earnings, supported by a steep cut in corporate taxes, and solid global economic growth have bolstered Wall Street. A euro trademark's optimism in the start to 2018. A euro or either is really nothing in the market. A euro's way at this point. A euro, said Paul Nolte, portfolio manager at Kingsview Asset Management in Chicago. A euro or investors are liking the fact that companies are talking up earnings more than they have done in the past. We euro trademark re going to see better earnings over the next 12 months and you need to buy stocks now to take advantage of that. A euro. More than 3/4 of the 30 S&P 500 companies that have reported so far have topped profit estimates, according to Thomson Reuters I/B/E/S. At 12:31 p.m. ET, 17:31 GMT, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 152.72 points, or 0.59%, at 25,955.91. If the index closes above 26,000, it would be the fastest 1,000 point gain ever. UnitedHealth, Merck, and Goldman Sachs were the top boosts to the Dow. The S&P 500 was up 6.52 points, or 0.23%, at 2,792.76, and the Nasdaq Composite was up 18.21 points, or 0.25%, at 7,279.27. The CBOE Volatility Index, a widely followed measure of market anxiety, rose to a more than one-month high at 11.27. 6 of the 11 major S&P sectors were higher, led by a 1.31% rise in the real estate index and a 0.81% gain in the healthcare index. Merck surged more than 7% after early results from a key study showed its blockbuster drug Keytruda and 2 chemotherapy medicines helped lung cancer patients live longer and stop the disease from advancing. The S&P Energy Index fell 0.65% as Brent crude oil shed some of its recent gains, falling nearly $1 per barrel. O/R. General Motors rose 2% after the company said it expected earnings in 2018 to be largely flat compared with 2017, but that profits should pick up pace in 2019. General Electric fell about 4% after raising the prospect of breaking itself up and announced more than $11 billion in charges from its long-term care insurance portfolio and new U.S. tax laws. Viacom fell 5.4% after sources told Reuters CBS Corp and the company were not in active merger discussions. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners on the NYSE by 1,555 to 1,350. On the Nasdaq, 1,488 issues rose and 1,448 fell.